you are now occupying a space that is not allowing your emotions to coexist. And if you continue to be in the space that is not allowing the big five to coexist and happen as they come, then guess what? You might want to think about removing yourself from that space.
This is why I had you gather your things. And we are going to move. Perspective is not just about finding something different, choosing something different. It's about creating something different.
Learning to unpack your thoughts is a skill, and it's really necessary. So think of it like marking your plus and minuses. The red pen, if it's something that you're in deficit, like an emotion, and I want you to use a word, okay? I want you to put words on here that are related to how you think and how you feel.
When we go into identifying me for me, what is the first thing, like if I had to have you guys write down, I'm identifying who I am. Identifying means like distinctively clarifying who I am, right? And if you have to write down who you are, how would you start? Anybody be honest and say that they would struggle when they define themselves?
You have to remember the same energy that you came in day 1, you have to leave this way day 3, because there's no need in going back to your community broken. What's the fucking purpose while you're...
No, when I hear to the bass line, and it's just reminding me of like all the heavy things in our lives. The bass feels heavy, so what are you carrying that's so heavy?